Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny Baracco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm outside again today, amongst Mother Nature. So please join me in just listening to the beautiful sights and sounds all around us. And take this time to close your eyes and go within yourself and listen to that beauty that surrounds you. The beautiful sounds of those angels chirping, those angelic birds singing their beautiful songs, serenading you, serenading all of us. Beautiful lullaby, helping to bring you to a place of peace and serenity and gratitude. Feeling that beautiful energy that surrounds us all in nature here. That air we're breathing. Hoping to breathe sighs of relief. Beautiful, gentle winds coming through, refreshing you, re-energizing you, replenishing you, moving away energies you no longer need in your energy field, and filling you up with revitalizing energy. Feel that coming through now. See that and feel that. Beautiful energies flowing to you now. And just sitting in that energy and feeling grateful and empowered. So grateful. Feeling at ease. Feeling all of Mother Nature with you, supporting you on your journey, helping you stay in your peace and embrace all the blessings in front of you and all the blessings to come. Embracing the moment, the present of the present. That's in each and every moment. The present is in each and every moment. Each moment is a gift. Continue to embrace them all, making the most of each and every one of them. I'm feeling grateful for all of it. Thank you, Mother, Father, God. Thank you, the angels. Thank you, Mother Nature. These beautiful angelic birds, the gentle breeze, the beautiful energy that surrounds us, all of Mother Nature that supports us, bringing all that positive energy back from your spiritual body, back to your mental and emotional, finally your physical body, back to here and now, back to the present. We're feeling refreshed and revitalized, re-energized, uplifted, motivated, and inspired. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Keep moving forward, knowing we're all in this together.